Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for joining me today for our tips and tricks. We are going to review positivity today and how to add an alarm to your schedule. So I'm going to go to my
Time for
hamburger. Oh,
lunch.
and speak of alarm, here's an alarm example right here. Let me go ahead and close that. That was perfect timing. I'm going to go ahead and hit my hamburger drop down button, scroll all the way down to positivity, and I will show you how that alarm just popped up for us. We'll go to visual schedule and classroom schedule. And now from here, this is where I can set my alarm. So you can see right now at 11:29, my time for lunch alarm um, alerted me so I can get my kiddos lined up. I'm going to show you how we can set that. So we're going to toggle over to daily to make sure that these changes take effect moving forward. And I have right here another alarm set for 9:25 a.m. On Thursdays for my speech therapy group. I'm going to show you how to add that. We're going to add alarm. We can type in the title here. So we'll just go with speech group. We'll say that it is at 9:25 a.m. on Tuesdays, and manual close, it's just going to alert me. I'm going to add an image here by selecting the little crayon icon. And if you're anything like me, whenever I taught, I would always forget, like clockwork, that I needed to line my kiddos up for speech group. So this alarm comes in handy. I'll be able to get my kids lined up and it won't eat up into their therapy time. They'll be ready to go for the speech therapist. I can select speak message, play sound, and then I can select the different alarms that can go along with it. You can preview it here. I'm going to select save, and it just added speech group for Tuesdays at 9:25 a.m. Just like that, it makes your life a lot easier. Check back next week for some more tips and tricks.